Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Danny.
And I'm Mikhail.
And we are the Pokemon Bros, guys. Welcome to today's video. We have a ton of hidden fates. We are looking for that shiny Charizard we're going to open up. And also, we have some special vintage openings we're going to do at the end. We have a Platinum Arceus and a black and white sample pack. Now, we're going to open these up as soon as we're done with Hidden Fates, guys. Hopefully we get some decent pulls for you guys. Alright, we're going to jump right into this. I'm going to start off with some Hidden Fates. We are looking for that shiny Charizard, guys. We have opened tons and tons of these packs looking for that card. Here is the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, guys, here we go. We have a Leaf, Farfetch'd, Brock's Grit, Misty's Cerulean City Gym, Magikarp, Staryu, Avatarb, Pikachu, Jigglypuff. Oh, okay. Reverse Fire Energy, and Ecliphible. Alright. Please, guys, friendly reminder, smash the like button for us. We'd really appreciate it, guys. Here's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we're going to see what Mikhail can pull today.
Psychic Energy.
Psychic. Rock City Gym. Giovanni's Exile. Koga's Trap.
Magikarp.
Magikarp. Staryu. Voltorb. Pikachu.
I feel like that order,
Jigglypuff.
Voltorb and Pikachu, is a bad luck.
Right. Oh!
I regret that.
Very, very nice pull. A full art Jesse and James trainer. Very nice. Put that over here to be sleeved.
I was not expecting
Mikhail
that.
is starting off strong, guys. Alright, we're going to get to another pack. He's always so lucky, man. Always so lucky.
But
Here's the code. 2, 3, 4. Always so lucky. Alright, we have a Leaf Energy. Misty's Cerulean City Gym. Charmander. Brock's Grit. Colbing. Clefairy. Staryu.
Jigglypuff.
Jigglypuff.
Ekans.
Ekans. Oh!
Is that a shiny book?
That is a shiny. No, it's a Guzzlord. Ultra Beast shiny. Very nice. And a Jolteon. Take a look at that one more time, guys. Check that out.
A few days ago, actually,
That is an awesome pull, actually.
I was thinking about that card actually a few days ago.
Yeah.
I was saying, is that really
We
a
haven't
shiny
pulled that
Guzzlord?
card yet, I don't think.
I was like, is there really a shiny Guzzlord?
I think we've pulled the Jesse and James.
Yes.
But we have not pulled that Guzzlord.
No, and it's actually an Ultra Beast.
Here we go, guys. Going to Mikhail's. Another of Hidden Fates for Mikhail here. A Scyther.
Hopefully, I do
Magmar.
really good. Fire. Water.
Psychic. Psyduck. With a massive headache.
You said psychic.
Yeah, I know.
Water. Why am I saying types? Coughing. Clefairy. Sabrina's Suggestion.
Oh, Mr. Mom. Alright, guys, here we go. To some more Hidden Fates.
I'm really excited about the Platinum Arceus and the Pokemon Black.
Now, guys, I just want to let you know, we did order a Jungle Pack.
Yes.
And it's a unweighed Jungle Pack. It will be here by the 11th, I think. So we're going to do a vintage opening with this Jungle Pack in the next, I don't know, 8 days. We'll have a Jungle Pack to open up for you guys. Alright. We have a Metal Energy, Misty's Determination, Brock's Gym, Giovanni's Exile.
Paris.
Paris. Charmander.
Slowpoke.
Slowpoke. Psyduck.
Pikachu.
Pikachu. A reverse Vaporeon. Eh.
Then
No.
I honestly think, since you got so excited about the Platinum Arceus and Black and White sample pack, I think it's ruining your luck.
Yeah, it probably is. I love vintage packs though.
Yeah, I'm not such a big fan of vintage. I like newer sets. They look really awesome.
Scyther.
Staryu.
Well, you obviously haven't seen Sky Ridge or Aquapolis.
No.
They have some really good arts.
No.
Really awesome art. Okay.
What
What is going on with the Fables today?
We actually just pulled a reverse Vaporeon, and I just pulled a
I know.
reverse Jolteon. If I pull a reverse Umbreon, I will be happy.
2, 3, 4. Here we go. Okay, there's a Fairy Energy, Magmar, Charmeleon, Graveler, Jigglypuff, Ekans, Geodude, Cubone, always love Cubone, Eevee, Reverse Golem, and a Weezing. Come on.
Danny, you were about to say Magikarp, weren't you?
I have no clue.
I felt like you were gonna say Magikarp right when it was close to Cubone. I felt like you were gonna say Magikarp.
I think I probably was, because I'm used to pulling a Magikarp in every Hidden Fates. So, Fairy Energy,
Not gonna
Lieutenant
lie,
Surge's Strategy,
you can't judge me, but I think Magikarp
Magmar.
is one of the best Pokemon, in my opinion, because of what he evolves into.
Right, Gyarados.
Yeah.
Gyarados pretty strong. Surfing Slowpoke, Psyduck with a massive headache.
A lot of people may disagree, but I think
Ooh, a Reverse Dark Energy. And a holographic Vaporeon.
we actually pulled the same thing pretty much in reverse.
We did.
You want to see that?
Alright, put that over here to be sleeved, guys. Alright, guys. It's time for the vintage stuff. I'm going to do the sample pack first, and then we're going to go into the Platinum Arceus.
Okay, let's see what we get. Hopefully you pull a hollow. Because you can get it open.
Well, I'm trying to open it without messing the entire pack up.
Just cut the top. Like we do all the other packs. If it'll come open.
It's like really, really hard, guys.
Okay.
Alright, guys.
Ooh, I've actually never seen that before.
Alright, comes with this really, really cool. Oh, okay. Okay, here, check this out, guys.
Is it all the cards?
Yeah, it's a thing to keep up with all the cards, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, I like the
Not bad.
wording on it.
Alright, guys. Let's see what comes in this sample pack. Ooh. And an energy. Come on.
Could have been better, but it could have been worse too. If you
Oh no, that was pretty bad.
Could have been worse. You could have pulled a Weedle in every one of them.
Alright, guys. It's time for the Platinum Arceus. Here we go.
Da, 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 da.
Now, we actually pulled this vintage pack from a mystery, what was it, a mega mystery box from Walmart.
Yes, we were not expecting it to beat that.
Well, I mean, this is pretty standard in a mystery box. It's guaranteed a vintage pack. This is one of the most standard vintage packs that you get. Yeah.
Well, I didn't know that. I'm new to all the vintage pack stuff.
Alright. We're getting this open, guys. Now, I do not know the card trick to this set,
I think
so we're going straight into it.
you just go right into it, I believe. If I'm correct.
Alright, here we go, guys. Oh, look at that bee drill.
Is it the rare?
No, not yet. I don't think so. That is a cool... Look at the artwork, though. I love that artwork. That bee drill is pretty cool.
Wingo.
A Wingull. Alright. Oh, okay. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure that Platinum Arceus come out in between 2005 and 2007. Oh, okay. That is a reverse rare.
Bronzong, I believe.
It is. That's exactly what that is. That is an awesome card. Alright, guys. Let's see what we can pull.
A
A Gengar, guys.
Kind of wanted it to be hollow.
That would have been really, really awesome if that was a hollow. Alright, we're going to go through the rest here.
We pulled the rare, alright.
Yeah. We actually got 2 rares out of that pack, so I'm actually really, really happy with that.
It was the Bronzong and the...
Alright, guys. Now we are going to show you the pulls from today.
Which were some of the best pulls. I think out of a vintage pack, we got a really nice pull.
It's not a bad pull from a vintage pack, but could have been better. Alright, guys, we got the Shiny Guzzlord Ultra Beast, a full art Jesse and James trainer.
Well, we all know who won.
And, well, yeah. And from our vintage pack, the Platinum Arceus, we got a Gengar, which would be way better if it was hollow, and a reverse rare, what is that, a Bronzong?
Yeah, Bronzong.
Bronzong. So, not a bad haul for today, guys. Alright, that is just about it for today, guys. Do not forget, tune in with us on Sun and Moon Saturday. We're going to have some cool stuff for you, and like I said, we did order a jungle pack. Wizards of the Coast jungle pack. It's unweighed. It will be here by the 11th, so I say by that weekend or the next weekend, we are going to do a vintage opening. Also, we are going to have another giveaway coming soon, so like and subscribe if you want to win that. I promise it's going to be something really awesome. And don't forget, hit thumbs up on this video, share this video as much as possible. Alright, guys, we appreciate you hanging out with Pokemon Bros today. We love doing this stuff for you. And like I said, I'm Danny.
And I'm Raquel.
And we'll see you guys in our next video.